Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with the CHILLAX series. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to hook up the CHILLAX with the strap. Everybody has seemed to having a really hard problem with the strap. They're not understanding how to hook up their CHILLAX hammock. And I'm really not sure why they're having so many problems. I've done 2 videos on this. I've tried to give up close-ups and it's still, people can't figure it out. A lot of people say, thanks, you made my hammock experience so much easier. Some people just can't figure it out. They got to have a real close-up of it. I will let you know that inside the bag there is instructions on how to hook the hammock up, and it's here. And just take the hammock out of the bag, and there's the instructions, and it explains exactly how to hook up the straps on the tree and everything, what you need to do. But to take the confusion away, I'm going to hook it up for you. So when you're doing your CHILLAX hammock, you want to make sure that you have this in this hand and that pointing down. That hook always has to be pointing down. If you have the hook up this way, it's not going to work. It has to be that way. So what you want to do is you want to take this and wrap that around the tree, and then you're going to put the hook right in there. So, and then pull this strap through, and then yank it, pull it, and then pull down. Right now I can put all my weight on there. So right, this is at 12 o'clock. You want it at 12 o'clock to the other tree, so when you're putting your hammock on, you are in line. So just going to grab the end. So this end here, you slide in your hammock, slide it through there, pull through, let it go, bring it over, and the hook is right here. All you have to do is just slide it in there, and it's got these 2 knuckles on either side that holds the rope in this hook. So now you are hooked up. Now you just got to do it on the other tree, and your hammock is there. To shorten this, or to make it longer, depending on how far your other tree is, just pull down on this. Now, this gives you a lot more length. If your hammock is too close to the floor, the ground, just slide up. How do I do that? Is I hold my hand right here, grip it around, and grab this rope that's coming from around the tree, and I hold onto that and I pull on this hook. Now that hook is way up there. A second ago, it was way down here. Right there, right? Up, and then down, depending on the tightness you need to keep your hammock, your CHILLAX hammock, elevated more off the ground, and depending on how far your other tree is. I just wanted to bring you in and show you this, how this strap works. It's very straightforward, very simple. Watch this video again if you need to. Otherwise, you're good to go. It does not take a long time to put this hammock up. And to take it apart, very simple. Unhook it there, pull it through that strap, and then just pull your strap through here. You're good to go. Now make sure when you wrap it around, you start this, wrap around this side, you loop this through here, and your hook is always facing the ground. If it's upside down, you will never are going to hook up your hammock unless you want to hang it from if gravity was upside down. If we had no gravity, you'd be floating up, it'd work. So make sure your hook is always facing down. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and comment and share. Thanks.